Today's menu is egg noodles in Bhoonofy kitchen. So let's go to the kitchen. Boil egg noodles for 10 minutes. Then strain and pass it through normal water to maintain temperature. Now blend 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Pour this blended mixture into pan with 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add in ½ kilogram beef mince. Bhoonofy and add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste, ½ teaspoon garam masala. Cut capsicum, carrot, green onion. Add into mince mixture and Bhoonofy again. Put on low flame and add boiled egg noodles. Mix perfectly. Now it's ready to eat. We tried egg noodles for the first time and we like it. Hope you like this recipe.